Ah, Felinsky. I know you want to be a long jumper, but yeah, we're gonna need to work on a few technical parts of the jump, okay?
Yes, coach.
Yeah. About shot put. May not be your event area, Felinsky, but if you want it to be, we can work in the weight room. Yep. Just gotta, yep. And some technique, definitely technique. Looks like we have a Mr. Sawyer running around the curve. He's doing pretty good. Flailing of the arms, kind of. Whoa. Stop right there. Okay, I see you want to be a distance runner, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, number one, we might want a different running attire. I could help you out with what might be more comfortable and help you run faster. And then shoes, we gotta talk shoes, right? Coach Spivey can help with shoes too, but we definitely want to work on a little technique as well. The flailing of the arms thing is great somewhat in swimming, but Place would help you know that even that, we'll work on it. We'll work on it, streamlining, right? Thank you though, but we got a class for you. Hi, this class is going to be a winter class for spring track and field conditioning and technique. So if you are somebody who is just interested in knowing what can you do, what kind of events are there in spring track and field now that we actually are getting a track and have a track at Wheaton Academy, this class is going to be for you because we're going to have some coaches. We're going to combine up with Wheaton College, be able to use their indoor track facilities, so hurdles, shot put, obviously there's different track events, jumping events. We're going to have some coaches from Wheaton College join up with us to help teach specific event areas that you might be interested in. But it's also a class for those of you who maybe already know what you like to do and just want some time getting some conditioning, basic conditioning, weight training, strength core training, and getting a chance to get a workout in. So hope you can come out and join us at Wheaton College.